couldn't control corona, and now we are in the rainy season. From the past 3 4 days there has been huge rain in all the parts of various parts of the country, especially in Andhra, Telangana, Bangalore also. So where there is a good chance to this virus to be easily spreadable among people. So be careful, use mask, as well as try to clean your mask again. So that is what have some protein food. So at the end of that paper, I have seen that. So what my father and what my mother used to give me energy drink, that is boiling up of spices. Spices plays a very important role. It is called as kada in Urdu, in Hindi also. In Telugu, it is called as kashayam. So you please have that. It will give some antibiotics, natural antibiotics. It will definitely help in fighting corona. So that is all about a small note from my side, as your friend, as well as your brother. So this is all about from my side. So we'll come back to the class actually. So yesterday we were discussing about email marketing. Now we have so much to discuss in this particular session. It is 1 hour session. We'll discuss that. Don't worry. Today may be my last session for FDP, but in future definitely we'll plan for more FDP programs at your place. Definitely I will be available for you. You can take my number. You can, if you have anything, if you want me to conduct a workshop or hands-on experience workshop at your place, or else through online program like this, definitely we will plan. So we have AIM Academy has purchased an interactive digital panel, 90 inches interactive digital panel. We booked from Delhi. So it has already, the parcel has already reached yesterday at our end. So one person is coming from Delhi. So one or two persons are coming from Delhi. He told that we may start by today or tomorrow. Once they come here, we'll set up that board. So next time you can see me in an interactive panel. So definitely we'll plan for more sessions at your place in the coming days. Okay. We are discussing about email marketing yesterday. Yesterday we told that email marketing is one of a cost-effective tool, because you can see that there are many emails which will come at our account. So this is one example. You can see this is our personal email account. You maximum you can send not less than if per day you can send around 600 500 emails. If you send more than 500 daily, then automatically Gmail person will definitely send you a warning mail saying that you are using this personal mail for sending too many mails. You can convert it to your business mail. This is actually a normal personal mail which we can create using our compose option. So this is what we can create using our compose option. But if you want to create a template like this, a beautiful template like this, which attracts the viewers, so that they can see what's happening here, who is this personality, and they tempts it to click on this as well as to click on this. If you click on any part of this, it will be redirected to a landing page. In the same manner, you can click on here. You can click on any one of these blue links, or else you can click on any of these images. So you can be redirected. So this is a template. This is a mail template. This is a mail template where one company called MailChimp encourages you people to create different very comfortable templates like this, so that you can attract the viewers, the interested people, the interested customers. Maybe window customers can be converted into actual business leads. Okay, this is what, and you can also see this one. This is also very interesting. Yes, summer sale up to 25%. They are coming directly to your mail. Okay, this is what, through emails we can also conduct surveys to know the opinions of the people through emails. Next topic comes here is online reputation management. If you have purchased one product in Amazon, or one product on Flipkart, or any other social media platform, you will get a mail to your personal account saying that please rate this product, please give a description, please give a view, please give a comment about this particular product, so that it can increase their online reputation. For that purpose also, we can also use email marketing. Yeah. So this is what yesterday Soumya was asking about. So one participant has asked Soumya to what could be the success rate of email marketing. You can see that this is my personal mail where I have opened all this stuff. So this is, you can see we have I have 20,533 unread mails. As I told in yesterday's class, the success rate of this is very, very less. The success rate of this is very, very less. 20,553 unread mails. Among this, all you can see here. So I got from Amazon, I got from some other place, Amazon Business, Amazon Prime, and all other things. So here also one option called retargeting. Retargeting comes. What is remarketing? How it is different from retargeting? We'll discuss next coming slides. So for creating a template like this, the world famous as well as the top in mail industry is MailChimp. It's free of cost. You can register for free of cost. If you want to use more mails, then you need to pay to him. So after logging into MailChimp, there will be a window like this where you can see all the various aspects. Even customer relationship management is also available here. As well as you can see, you can also create an email, you can also create a social media template, you can also create a landing page, you can also create digital ads, you can also create postcards. Postcards is not widely be used. So as well as you can also create automation, that means automatic responses. Today we are going to discuss one very interesting topic in WhatsApp. As I told in the earlier session, WhatsApp, Facebook, all these are just a fun for us, but WhatsApp is also business for WhatsApp providers. Now WhatsApp has been acquired by Facebook. So automation, this is called as API that we'll discuss, automatic programming interface. So let us take what is automations. Suppose if I say in my chat, if I say hi, then automatically they will come and reply like hi, hello, something like that. Or else there will be extension of hi, how are you? Hello, how are you? Something like that. So this is called automations. If I say hi, then automation will not come as bye. So we will create all these messages in advance. So if I ask a service provider, what is the price of this product? Price is a keyword. Price is an important keyword. They will, if anybody mention price, then automatically there will be automatic message related to that. The price would be this one. We are giving 18% extra, 18% you need to pay GST. Along with that, you need to go with some other aspects like we will give you discount of 10%. You can use our referral code, use the 10%. All these comes under automation. That means automatic messages. Like earlier, you might have seen even when I was very small during my school days, my parents always used to say, if your auntie came and asked you where your mom, dad gone, you just say, I don't know. These type of things, even I used to tell that don't speak too much with your relatives. Have a limited talk with them. Don't go with over talk. Don't go with loose talk. So this is the automatic message which parent will always tell. Not only myself, everybody who are listening this, they might have listened all this stuff from your parents saying that if anybody asks you, you need to say, I don't know, mujhe nahi malum. Mama papa ko pucho. Naak teliyadu. Amma nana adagandi. I don't know. Ask mama and papa. It's an automatic message. In the same manner, here in digital language, automatic message, in the sense they will give some automatic replace. Okay, next. So after clicking these mails, then you will get a page like this. Here you can design, you can see here, design and send automated or regular emails to your contacts. Two types of emails we can create here up to this point of view. One is the promotional, one is transactional. One is promotional, one is transactional. Promotional emails will be sent for those persons who have shown, who are interested to show, or else they will take this action of buying your products. So for those people, promotional mails will be sent to those type of peoples. And yesterday I told very clearly how to extract database. How to extract a database. Okay, am I audible? Okay. Yeah. How to extract database. That means even there are some service providers available in the market who will give you this database, the numbers of you people as well as the mail IDs of you people. They will give based on locations. If I want only the database of Hyderabad people, they will give that. If I want only the database of Telangana people, they will give that. If I want only the database of Mumbai, they will give that. Only the database of Vijayawada, they will give that. Only the database of Bangalore, so that I can attract only Bangalore people. Other side, outside people, I don't want. this type of things. So where you will get this number? At the billing counter, you might have shared, you will share your number, right? You please take this number. You will get a OTP. From there also they can take the number, or else from service provider also they can take the number, and they will take your database like email, mobile number, and other details. And some people even send you some postal cards at your place to your address, sharing of their banner. Okay, best example I have taken in the previous class was CAT admissions as well as ISET admissions. Generally, what happens is ISET, Andhra Pradesh ISET, it's a common management entrance test for MBA and MCA after students writing that examination. So there is a possibility that few people may extract that information from the organizers of ISET. There is a possibility. So it actually happens. Then they will call, then they will send the mails, and they will call the people. Okay. So here we can see I have created a rough page yesterday. It is actually SNIST, SNIST. Sorry, it's a mistake, typing mistake. So after clicking the mail, a page will open like this, where you will have options to address, where you have to go with, you need to upload a Excel sheet here. Here I have only 2 recipients, only for showing purpose I have added 2 recipients, but you can also add 10,000 recipients at the same time, as well as firm address. From will be SNIST, SNIST, FDP, digital marketing. This will be the firm address at the rate of some xyz.com. Subject will be the same. Here in the content part, the main heart of the mail marketing, the content part, if you click on this design mail, so you will be redirected to a page like this, where you have multiple options available. So before going with this one, you need to get ready your logo. It should be of PNG format, or else it should be of JPEG format. You can also change this background. You can see here this background available. This is a background available. You can also change this background, and you can also add some. You can also add some images at this part. You can also add 3 images, three different images at this part, and you can also edit. Share your business news. You can also edit this as some other like FDP program. FDP program. So each and everything which appears here is a template. You can see here, sell your products, you can use this. Make an announcement, you can use this template. Tell a story, you can use this template. Follow up, you can use this template. Educate, you can use this template. In the same manner, you can also see the various other templates under this. You can see that this is a basic version. Apart from all these objectives, selling a product, making an announcement, of apart from all these objectives, you can also use these templates, and you can also edit the content. You can add, you can delete, you can modify, and you can do n number of designs. This is like a PPT presentation. This is like a Word document. This is like a page maker, and this is also like a Photoshop, where you can add n number of images and various other links as well as headings based upon your convenience. So this is actually mail marketing. So here there would be logo, here there would be announcement, or here there would be logo, or here there would be 2 different products, here there would be something. So you can see here, generally what happens is through affiliate marketing, mail marketing is also very important in affiliate marketing. In affiliate marketing, what happens, people will randomly send some mails. They will randomly send some mails taking the database, and they act as an intermediate person between the buyer and seller. I used to get many different kinds of calls saying that we are calling from HDFC. Do you have any requirement of a loan? If I say yes, after some time, sir, our executive will call you. After some time, we'll get a message saying that, sir, our executive will call you. These people who has actually called me, there would be affiliate marketers, and they will call the business HDFC loan department saying that Dr. Ahmad Basha is interested for a personal loan, Dr. Ahmad Basha is interested for a housing loan, Dr. Ahmad Basha is interested for a car loan, something like that. And they actually will call me. So HDFC people got a business lead through the actual people who called me, that lady who called me. So after this transaction has been done, that means if I have taken the loan of 10 lakhs through HDFC, so those affiliate marketers who actually called me, they will be given some 1%, 2%, etc. So on an average, every day they will call not less than 500 to 1000 people. 500 to 1000 people. Even at least daily once, if they take, they will get 10,000 in the same manner. 30 days, 3 lakhs. Not only that, one single lady who has called me, there would be around 300, 400 people from their department. This is how affiliate marketing also works. It's risky, but definitely there will be so many telemarketers available who actually do this job. Okay, so here you can create any of this. If I like that one, then I will get a call from HDFC loan department saying that, sir, we came to know that you have shown your interest. We came to know through the marketing department that you have shown your interest on HDFC loans, sir. What are you? Are you a salaried person? Are you a self-employed? Blah blah blah. So this is what we can create a mail, as well as this is how people will attract towards our mails. The remaining rest of the concept about mails we'll discuss in retargeting. Remarketing is different, retargeting is different. I will discuss with, as well as in online reputation management. The next question comes regarding online reputation management. Very, very interesting topic. Too many people are fond about this particular topic, especially like the one who is very much interested to increase his likes, to increase his views, to increase his followers, etc. The other day I was seeing a news in Economic Times of Economic Times news channel. There I have seen that one organization is telling that in the world's top 10 Twitter followers, among the world's top 10 most Twitter followers, our Prime Minister Narendra Modi is also one among them. This is what the craze. This shows that what is the craze of our Prime Minister throughout the world. What is the craze of one particular celebrity? Recently, what happened? 1 year before, Prabhas, the one who acted in Bahubali movie, has opened his official Instagram account. Immediately after he opened his Instagram account, around 30 lakh people have started following him. Bahubali actor, who is the concerned person, Prabhas. After 30 lakh people, this shows that what is the craze of Bahubali movie online, especially that actor Prabhas. You can see that a teaser of any movie. There is one movie recently. Rajamouli has told that there will be a movie coming in the further days that would be with Ram Charan Teja as well as Junior. So immediately this teaser has been released. RRR something. This teaser has been released within short span of time. They got huge number of likes, huge number of views. The views has crossed around 10 million, 1 crore. This is online reputation management. This is online reputation management. In the previous sessions also I told you, suppose if you want an image editor, because whatever you see in the photo will be different. I can see some images over here. Actually, their actual image is different, but the displayed image is different. I'm sorry, but we need to, I'm just taking as example. Actually, you look something different, but the image which you pasted on your profile, which I am seeing right now, is different. Isn't it right? In the same manner, few people, what they do, they take a very good image of them and they will do some editing of that and they will keep that as their DP, WhatsApp DP or Facebook DP or Gmail DP or Twitter DP, Instagram DP. Isn't that right? Yes, in the same manner, you need some image editor tools so that they can improve your complexion, they can improve your color grading, and they can you can be very beautiful, you can look very smart. There are many image editor tools available in WhatsApp, in your mobile application. What you will do, you will search in the Play Store or App Store. Most market has been occupied by Play Store itself. In the Play Store, let us assume that you have searched for image editor. Around, I assure you, not less than 1,000 plus apps you can see. Not more than 1,000 plus apps you can see. How many apps you will download? Only on the first fronted starting page, you will go with at around 10 to 15 and you will select based upon number of stars, number of downloads, number of stars, ratings, number of downloads, as well as number of comments, and you will roughly see some comments available, and based upon that you will download that. This is called online reputation management. TikTok. There have been so many people I'm taking again the example of TikTok. So please don't mind that, because as I told in the previous session also, I totally support Indian government banning TikTok. TikTok is a platform which has to be banned. So many of students who are listening to me, they might also feel bad about this, but I'm really sorry. But there are some instances where TikTok has crossed its limitations in terms of the performance, in terms of getting likes, in terms of getting views. As a citizen of this country, I will support whatever government of India decision takes when question comes to our nationality. Like when it comes to India and China or India and Pakistan, I will definitely support India in this matter. In the same manner, I totally support the TikTok banning, but the question comes regarding, as a marketer, TikTok ads are good. I'm saying like that. TikTok ads are good. If you see this application of TikTok, where some people, they used to get some thousands and lakhs of followers, and if I am not wrong, there are certain persons available. One is Samir is there, one is Santosh is there, and there are these persons, and females come. Banu is there, one female, and Deepika Pillai is there, one female is available, and there is one female, Beauty Khan from Mumbai, and there are many different people who have some millions of followers. Their likes are in crores. They have around 10 million, I mean 1 crore followers, 2-3 crore likes and comments and all these things. What is all about this one? It is online reputation. I'm a public figure online, so this is my reputation. Why people are rushing towards online reputation? Can anyone tell why people are rushing towards online reputation? Why? Because of the reasons called, they can yeah, this is what views, likes, all these things. Why people are rushing towards online reputation management? Because it's a trust. They are trusting that brand. They are trusting that brand. So in order to build brand, online reputation management. So in order to build brand, we can increase our likes. We can increase our likes. We can not only increase the page likes, we can also increase the post likes on a particular advertisement. It may be a display ad. We can increase the number of likes. We can increase the page likes. We can increase number of followers. This is called cost to action campaign. This is called cost to action campaign. And there are a few social media networking sites available, and they are clearly saying that we will assure you this many likes, how much you will pay. We will assure you this many likes, how much you will pay us. So 100 likes, 30 rupees. In Facebook terminology, let us say, so if you want 100 likes, the bid may start from 30 to 300. That bid may start from 30 to 300. 100 likes. If you want 100 likes in your Facebook, it comes to 30 to 300 rupees. If you want 1000 likes, 10 increases at the end, not at the beginning. 300 to 3000. Definitely with this 300, he will not tell. No doubt about that. He will reach up to 2700, 2800, like that. And in the same manner, not only Facebook, but also Instagram, but also Twitter, but also YouTube is also assuring you number of views. We will assure you 1000 views on your video. Views are directly linked with subscribers. No doubt about that. If you have very good quality content, there are some hundreds of students of mine, 99% people, they got succeeded about their digital marketing program, as well as they got very good results. Maybe 1 or 2 persons. Why? Because their content is not good. Their content is not at all good. In the same manner, there would be some other people. In a less span of time, they have achieved a lot. I will definitely send their testimonials also. I assure you, I will share their testimonials. No doubt about that. So that you can have interaction with them, and you can ask that what is the performance of Ahmad sir in terms of digital marketing program. One is working in Google, another one is working in Flipkart, one is working in Amazon. So they will definitely share all their experiences. So in the same manner, through Facebook, you can increase likes, followers. Through Instagram, you can increase followers. To Twitter, you can increase followers. To YouTube, you can increase views. So this all comes under online reputation management. By seeing the views itself, by seeing the likes itself, by seeing the followers itself, the new customers, new interested people will build a trust on your brand. On your brand. It's a trust concept. It is obviously a trust concept. Suppose if anybody wants to break that trust, if anybody wants to break that trust, let us take an example. It's a general example. Please take it normally. Let us assume you like a hero, not hero. There are actors. I'm sorry. You like an actor, and he is very good in acting. You like a actress. She is also very wonderful in terms of acting. She got Nandi awards. She got some very good awards, Filmfare awards. Might be they also got some Oscar awards, maybe internationally Oscar awards. Suppose let us assume that she has committed a mistake or he has done a mistake. That means the cops has arrested him or her in case of some drug abusing case or some drugs case. Automatically, what happened? This concept of trust will not allow your brand towards risk. Best example I can take example called Ashirwad Atta. Ashirwad Atta. So you might have seen 2 years before or 2 or 3 years before, there has been a campaign started in online marketing, some digital platform, social media platform. One person has taken the atta of Ashirwad. One person has taken the atta of Ashirwad, and what he has done, and he has mixed with water and he tried to evaporate it. And he was mixing it at the end of that, he observed that there is some plastic came from that atta. So then he started sharing that in digital through social media platforms. It went viral in social media. Everybody started sharing. Everybody started disliking. Everybody using abusing language. They used different kinds of comments, and they shared saying that to see the real face of these multinational companies who are playing with the lives of the people in terms of manufacturing these kinds of quality less products. Then Ashirwad company, it's a live case study. You can see there are other case studies you can also see on this concept, Ashirwad Atta concept. Then Ashirwad company has created a new advertisement in order to defend that. But what happened is it could not stand much in the market. That particular rumor could not, that particular blame could not stood so many days in the market, because already Ashirwad Atta has built a wonderful trust in the customer minds about its quality, about its taste and other things, about the manufacturing process. It's a very, very wonderful. So there is a less risk. So once you build online reputation management, there will be very less risk of breaking your brand, breaking the trust of the customers. So that is what we can also see here, that your brand and sale will also be increased. That means automatic recommendations. Automatic recommendations. So as your likes goes on increases, as your views goes on increases, automatically what happens? Your video, your post will become viral. Okay, so this is also one concept called cost to action. So where you can see that in a very less span of time, your post has gone viral. That means the more number of views divided by more number of impressions, if that is very, very high, that is 80%, something like that, then automatically, suppose impressions are 100, views are 80, that means your post has 80% performance, CTR. Then automatically what happens is your response rate is very, very good. So YouTube, Facebook, that their algorithm will also encourages you for recommendations. This is also done. This is done through paid marketing also. So if you benefit Facebook, they will benefit you. If you benefit YouTube, they will benefit you. So you both can indirect benefit each other, but the only thing is you have to invest something on making your online reputation management. That's what. So these are the important aspects. Next will comes is, so you can see here, this is my AIM Academy page available here. You can see get more page likes. Get more page likes. This is an action-based campaign. Action-based campaign. That means I am getting more page likes. Facebook page likes. As I told, daily 30 likes to 3000 likes is also available. That depends upon how much amount you're going to spend. I am spending here only because to make my brand stronger. To make my brand stronger, I am spending all these things here. In the same manner, you can also go with some other campaigns. You can also see that this is one. This is a Facebook campaign which we have seen earlier, awareness, consideration, conversion. You can see that this is one option called page likes and post engagements also. Post engagements also. Post likes, I can say. We discussed about that. So in the same manner, here comes is Twitter. It's a Twitter campaign. So you can also increase the more number of followers. Action based online reputation management. Okay, next. Next here comes is, so this is all about online reputation management. So this increases your this visibility among people, so that based upon your likes, views, more number of people will add. It makes your brand more stronger, so that you can be a public figure. That again depends upon your campaign. Digital marketing is also useful for all those people who are interested towards increasing their sales, who are interested for career development, who are interested toward making themselves a public figure. Making themselves a public figure. You are doing a job, well and good. If everybody wants to recognize you, you can also opt for digital marketing. You are a housewife, well and good. If you want to income parallel money, passive money, you can also go with digital marketing. You are doing job, you are a professor, you want to create a brand among your students, no problem. You can create videos. At the end of the session, your students will ask you, sir, this particular concept, I have some doubts in this particular concept. You can say that, please visit my videos in YouTube. By doing this, automatically the views will increase. Automatically your response time will increase, watch time will increase, and it will also give some money after some time, after you reaching the eligibility criteria. Because even after 10 years before also, I dealt marketing management language. 10 years after also, I am dealing the same marketing management language. Concepts, the basics, all these will remain standard. Even after 10 years also, there might be a small changes, maybe 20-30% changes, but a plus b whole square is equal to a square plus b square plus 2ab. This is a standard formula with the professors. My father also learned the same thing. I also learned the same thing. My son will also learn the same thing. Once you create these videos, you will become a public figure. Types of data, nominal data, ordinal data, all this, it will be standard for all the research program. In the same manner, you can also create your own videos through digital marketing campaign. So you can increase your followers, you can increase your likes. Professors can increase their likes. If you share your page to all your old students, within less span of time, you will get not less than 1,000 likes. Then you can increase slowly, you can increase. You want to make a public figure. You are very good in terms of data analysis. You record some free videos, you start some online program, share knowledge. Education should not be stopped. Education, life is a continuous learning process. Some or other, you have to continue this process, either offline or online. It not be stopped. Next concept comes here is remarketing as well as retargeting. Remarketing as well as retargeting. So these are very, very important topics from your analytics point of view. Analytics point of view. Remarketing as well as retargeting. We will tell you what is the difference between remarketing as well as retargeting. Remarketing. So remarketing, suppose you have seen one advertisement in Facebook, one display advertisement in Facebook. Please listen carefully, very simple concept. Once the concept enters into your mind, automatically you can do your own research about this particular. You can start writing articles also. So Facebook, you have seen one display ad. So you have seen one display ad in Facebook, in mobile platform or desktop platform, whatever it is. So this particular, you have seen this and you clicked on this, pay per click. You clicked on this. It has redirected you to a landing page. It has redirected you to a landing page. Okay. Then in this landing page, your information will be secured by Facebook, because through Facebook you have entered into this landing page automatically. So this person will create a database. It will not show, it will not make you to misuse. Remember this, because if you misuse Facebook data, Facebook will be in trouble along with you. So he will not share you all those things. He will say that, yeah, we have a database of 30 people who have shown interest on your particular product. You cannot see his IP address, you cannot see his mobile number, you cannot see any other details. Only you can remarket him through Facebook. Don't think that they can steal our data and they can call us, they can track us. No, they will not do anything. So Facebook will say that, so I have this database, you of 30 members, just a number will be there, nothing else. For the next campaign, you can use this 30 members only. You can target a ad only to these 30 members. At least 10 people would show interest. That means this is very clear that I will repeat. Okay, so this is very clear that, yeah. So this is very clear that out of 1,000 impressions, so this became 6. Okay, 1,600 impressions. Out of 1,600 impressions, around 150 persons have shown interest. Out of 1,600 impressions, 150 persons have shown interest. Okay, among these 150 persons who have clicked on your advertisement and they entered into the landing page, all this information will be stored by Facebook. All this information will be stored by Facebook. He will not reveal the IP addresses. He will not reveal other things. He will say that there are 150 persons who have shown interest on your product. They entered into the landing page. What you can do, you can remarket. You can remarket these 150 people. You can remarket these 150 people with another advertisement model, ad model, only for 150 members. Only for 150 members, you can do it. That means 1,600 people have seen the advertisement impressions. Among that, 50 people have clicked on that pay-per-click. They entered the landing page, and Facebook has captured that information, and he told that 150 people have shown interest among 1,600 impressions. So for the next time, what he will do, here awareness has been done. Here awareness has been done. Here interested people came out. Next ad, you will focus on these 150 people, so that among these 150 people, at least 10% take 15, at least 20%, 30 members. It's enough. It's enough. That is more enough. At least if they take at least 10,000, 3 lakhs, what is the actual campaign cost? 5,000. Landing page and all other expenses, maximum 3-4 days, maximum 1 week, 10 days, it could be around 30,000. Remaining rest of 2,70,000 you received as a profit. That is what this is called remarketing. This is called remarketing. Next question comes, what is retargeting? Next question comes regarding retargeting. So same example I will take here. So I will write here. So 1,600 people impressions, 150 people have clicked on the landing page. Then among these 150 people, you have created one more Facebook ad other than the previous ad you have created. And among these 30 people, 30 members, they have shown interest of buying your product. From these 30 members, 27 purchased. 3 people have just added the product. They went to payment section, and due to some other reasons, might be payment problem, might be internet delayed, might be their child is busy, might be their boss might be shouting, or any other reason, these 3 people have not done the transaction. That means they went to add cart. But they couldn't do the payment because there may be some server problem of HDFC, SBA, Andhra Bank. Andhra Bank is not there; it's Union Bank now. Okay, some other concepts. There might be some server delay issues. So these 27 persons have successfully done. Remaining 3 people, they couldn't complete their transaction. For those 3 people, retargeting reminds them through mail. It's very important. Retargeting reminds them to mail. Through mail, they will get a a mail to their inbox saying that your transaction is pending. Complete it before the prices may revise again. Now, I hope you understood what is remarketing and how it is different from retargeting. So, remarketing is done individually. Individually, it is not done in a group. Remarketing is done through a group. Retargeting is done individually. Retargeting is done individually. Remarketing is done to a group of people. So this example gives that 1600 people have seen your advertisement, 150 people have shown interest by clicking on the landing page. Facebook Pixel, the next comes is Facebook Pixel. So among these 150 people, 20% people have shown interest of buying your product. Awareness, interest, action, lead. Marketing funnel. Awareness, interest, action, lead. So this is what marketing funnel concept is. So these 27 members has paid, these people have not paid. For these people, in order to remind their transaction, pending transaction, retargeting helps them to remind them through mails. Both, whether it is remarketing or whether it is retargeting, the both important concepts here is to increase the visibility of their advertisement so that their advertisement, their campaign turns into a business lead, action oriented performance of customers, so that it can be transferred into a business lead. So here you can see that this is remarketing, retargeting only through mails. Tool is mails, and there may be possibility that 99% these people will not call you. Amazon people will not call you. They will only go with mail. 99.99% they will not call you. Maybe 1 or 2% they will, might be out of some lakhs, they will call and say that, sir, your transaction is pending, sir. We have this offer, we have that offer. If you pay before 5 o'clock, you will be given 5% discount, or else the prices will be increased. There is a possibility that market is totally different. Why? Because this is a marketing language. I told about that we have purchased that interactive digital panel from Delhi, and that person, the Gupta, his name is Gupta from New Delhi, and he convinced, we were discussing with each other regarding price. I told that I am a poor man, I am a poor person because my institute is closed for nearly 4 to 5 months. My revenue has been struck. That's the reason I am turning this into an online coaching center. So I need this board at any cost. He was telling that, sir, in a span of 6 months, he told that around 800 plus boards has been ordered throughout the country to our platform. If you delay for another 10 to 15 days, he told that no problem, sir, you take next month only. He told like that. He told that you take next month only, sir, not a problem. But if you delay for another 1 month, I cannot assure you the prices. I cannot assure you the prices. And he told that, and then I got convinced with him. Then somehow I adjusted some money, and I have brought that product. It has landed yesterday at my. They have delivered the product yesterday at my location. Maybe another 3-4 days they will install that. After installing that, I will send you a video recorded on that to your personal number, to your WhatsApp number. Please accept that, and you please go through that video, and please like and subscribe to my YouTube channel for further updates about digital marketing. If you are interested to pursue this to increase your passive income. So this is actually the process you can see here. So one web user has seen one display ad. Whatever I have explained there, in the image representation, here it is. So one person, you, me, we, either it is you, either it is me, either we all have seen a ad in Facebook. Let us assume that this is a Facebook platform and this is a display ad seen. As well as after seeing this will be again sent back to your digital platform, and you can see here this will be again shown to you in your digital platform, saying that sir, you have gone through this particular product. If you want, you can do one thing. You can browse some channels. I will tell you some channels. After some time, you can see that the same advertisement in your Facebook as sponsored ads. You can search for Apple products or any other MI mobile products or any other products in Amazon. You can search the same product category. You can go and visit shutterstock.com. It's a premium image website throughout the world. You can also go with ThemeForest. You can go with Dribbble. These are some of the websites. If you go and you can spend at least 2-3 minutes searching some products, immediately that particular advertisement you can see in your Facebook social media networking site. So this is what is remarketing. This is retargeting. This is retargeting. You can see here, this is retargeting through emails. This is retargeting to emails. So retargeting can be done only through mails. But the both concepts of remarketing and retargeting is to increase your visibility so that customer can make a decision. Customer can make a decision. There was one person, I don't want to take his name. He was a very good person. His name is Pala Kondaya. He is the in charge of Enadu in my hometown. He has visited my institute at least 10 times in a month just to discuss something about the business, how business is going out. So what are your aspects? And he became a very good friend of mine. I really liked his marketing strategy. Now he is the head of some other wing. He is the head of some other wing. When he visited frequently for 10 days, some sort of impression created in my mind. Yeah, why can't I give one advertisement? He is coming to me for many times. Then I have given not one, 10 to 15 advertisement in a span of 6 months for some other competitive examination courses. So once you see, when the visibility of one particular product comes again and again and again, automatically what happens is you will repeat the same thing. This is what happens in our family. If you've been to a supermarket or if you've been to a hypermarket, there you can see one particular product. There you can see one particular product. And you might have seen the same particular product again and again and again in the TV advertisements, in your television advertisements. Like you can see there is one particular advertisement, Harpic. If anybody sees that one particular advertisement, Harpic, then immediately there will strike one name called Abbas. I'm sorry, but this is how it works. If you go to a hypermarket with your family, yourself and your wife or parents, your children, then automatically children decision making also impacts more on the buying process. They will say that to buy Harpic only because they have so many times seen that ad Harpic, 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 Dairy Milk, Dairy Milk, Dairy Milk, Dairy Milk. If you will not take into consideration your children decision making, automatically it will lead to a big fight in the family. And he will not eat. You will eat. Your wife or your mother or any part of your family will definitely poke you, and there will be a huge fight between you. So this many things happen. Generally, that's the reason I stay away with shopping with my family. I will just go. You go and buy whatever you want. Take my credit card. Take my debit card. Whatever you want. Especially the merchandise you are buying, I cannot tolerate it. You are spending more time. So this is as a family person. This is my experience. It might be something whatever it is. In the same manner, so once I told all this story to make you realize about the importance of visibility. If you see the ad again, then automatically there will come interest in your mind. Why can't I purchase this? I have spent so much money on various aspects. Why can't I do this? This is what visibility is. The same thing is applicable to digital advertisements. The same thing is applicable to if anybody thinks about buying jewelry, then there will come one person with shaved head. I don't want to tell his name. Lalita Jewelers. Jewelries. In this pandemic situation also, we encourage doctors with a 2% discount in a local TV channel. Visibility, more visibility, more visibility. That brand will be standard, sit in the minds of the customers. Next. So the one best example for this is, I'm getting right. One best example for this, Facebook Pixel. Facebook Pixel. Google Pixel is also available. It is actually a cookie. It's actually a cookie. They named that as Pixel. But the actual thing is there will be a cookie in your web browser, which will help to track your actions. In the same manner, so the next comes here is, we'll discuss about this Pixels detailing in the full-time course. Next, this is all about analytics. So it's a very huge concept. It will take another 3-4 hours to discuss about analytics, but I will just tell the importance of analytics by one example. The name of that example is split-based testing. Split-based testing. So let us assume that I want to check the performance of a product in both the Telugu states. One is Andhra Pradesh, another one is Telangana. Both the Telugu states. To be very frank, I have so many of my Telangana friends. I even studied in Telangana. I never thought Andhra and Telangana. We all thought like Indians, and I still think the same. Geographically we may separate ourselves, but I always love Hyderabad and Bangalore and Chennai. Hyderabad always became my second hometown. So many of my relatives are there in Hyderabad also. I Let us assume that I want to check the performance of a single product in both states, Andhra Pradesh as well as in Telangana. Both are Telugu states. I want to check the performance of this single product in two states. Here you can use split testing to check the performance of a product area wise. This is what analytics, so that you can focus more budget on Andhra Pradesh or Telangana, depends upon its views or ratings or clicks. So one particular product, this is Andhra Pradesh and this is Telangana. Andhra Pradesh and Telangana, and fortunately the colors also matched with this yellow. Earlier it was TDP government, and this is something like pink, almost equal to pink. Okay, you can see that Telangana and Andhra Pradesh. So one product ABC, you can see that. So after going with a advertisement in both these split testing, this is called as A/B testing. This is called as A/B testing. A/B testing is there in Facebook. A/B testing is there in other email also. You can see that here, after promoting a product for 30 days, you observe that Andhra Pradesh people, 55% people shown interest towards a product, 45% people show interest towards that product, or vice versa. You can take 45 this side, you can take 55 this side, no problem. So based upon these analytics, these test results, next time you can allocate 55,000 budget to AP and 45,000 budget to Telangana, or vice versa. Let us assume that you have taken two particular products, and the clicking ratio is more, 40% in case of Andhra Pradesh and 60% in case of Telangana. You will change the budget for the next campaign. You will allocate that 40,000 for Andhra Pradesh and 60,000 for Telangana. How you got this ratio? How you got this information? Analytics. How you got this information? Analytics. One TV show has created advertisement, and after split testing, they realized that females are showing more interest than males. In the next ad, what they have done, they have kept a female-based advertisement, and they try to attract more females. Why? Because in the previous analytics, they have observed that females have shown more interest. Females have shown more interest towards this. A insurance-based company, has gone with advertisement in various split-based tests, and it realized that health is one particular concept. Health is one particular insurance where majority of the people are showing interest towards that. Then it has done what it has done. It has taken a decision. In the next campaign, we will launch an ad related to health. It's health actually. It's not AP, it's AD. It's health. Ad related to health. Why? Because earlier it has gone through one advertisement where it found that majority of the people, they are showing interest towards health. And it is one more thing that so one company has gone with the advertisement in Hyderabad, Bangalore, Chennai, only in cities, and it observed that so 70 to 80% they are showing interest towards buying a four-wheeler car, whereas 30% of the rural people, other than Hyderabad, other than Bangalore, other than Chennai, other than the state headquarters, other people who are staying in the districts, they are not preferring cars. But people who are staying in Hyderabad are preferring cars. So let's create a campaign only for these cosmopolitan, metropolitan cities, Hyderabad, Bangalore, Mumbai, Pune, Delhi, only these people. A advertisement about car loans. This is one kind of decision making. There is much to talk about this issue, but we'll discuss it later. Yeah, this is one concept. One of my student has recently started a small blog, Helping Wives. and she has started it, and this is one analytics form where you can see that majority of the people who are visiting here are females. So this is her analytics demographics, you can see here. Okay, females as well as males, no problem. Okay, in the same manner, you can see some reports, age constraint reports, how many people in between age group 25 to 34, majority, less number of people are showing. So this shows that which age group is interested and what are their behaviors. So majority of the content she received from India and United States, China, and some other Bulgaria. And you can see here, interestingly, most of the respondents comes from mobile phone. Okay, this is all about, and she has very good users, like bounce rate, you can see 71 point. This is very, very important. This is very, very important. Okay. Oh, this is all about. And next, probably the last concept in our session is WhatsApp marketing. Last concept in our session is WhatsApp marketing. So WhatsApp has become a part of our life. Without mobile phone, without these conversations, this is actually a conversions tool. You will chat with your friend, that is through personal WhatsApp, but you have to realize that there is one more application called business WhatsApp. This is personal WhatsApp, this is business WhatsApp, and the most importantly, this one is business WhatsApp solutions, that is API, business WhatsApp API. Very, very, very important. 99% people know about WhatsApp, 1% people know about business. Very, very less number of people, only digital marketers know about WhatsApp business solutions API, automation or application program interface. Very less number of people know about WhatsApp business solutions API. Very less number of people. I can say only 1% people, or even less than that. 1% people, or even less than that. Just how many of you people might be know about WhatsApp business API? So API is nothing but it's a automatic. You can see here advantages of API. This is where WhatsApp will earn money. This is one source of WhatsApp earning money. You can see here, this is a normal business account. This is a normal business account, as well as this is WhatsApp business API. If you see, everything remains the same, but this particular thing you can see here, this is the actual mobile number. This is the displayed number of WhatsApp business API. That means here WhatsApp will create, automatically it will create its business name, that is Fresh Produce, with a tick mark saying that it is a registered and it is a branded organization. It again builds trust. Suppose if you send me message to my WhatsApp account, I will display my number now. If you send a message to me, automatically what happens, after some point of I will receive that, but at the sender name, I can see a number like this, because I have not saved your number, and you also not might have saved my number. And there is one application called Direct WhatsApp, where you can directly send me message. If I respond, then only the link will get activated here. But if you send a message randomly to any other person, automatically at the sender it will be appear like this: Fresh Produce, maybe AIM Academy, maybe SNIST. For this, every single message, so we need to pay amount to the WhatsApp registered partner, that is indirectly we are paying to WhatsApp itself. This is what, here you can see SNIST tick mark, here you can see AIM Academy tick mark, here you can see some other XYZ tick mark. So this is the normal business account, and this is the WhatsApp business API. You can see here. Then automatically what happens is you can start chatting with him. This is what you can send. All other things remains the same. Here you can see this is the tick mark available, this is the tick mark available, and along with the WhatsApp display name, So this is what. So how this will help? Suppose you have done a transaction, you entered your payment method, all other things, and you have done your transaction and you paid. Automatically what happened, immediately after receiving this purchase, this page will be redirected to this one, that is, we have received your purchase, thank you very much, pay at the, you can see the pay at the delivery, thanks, your order is on its way, arriving today between 2 and 5, pay the delivery or delivery charges. So you have seen Fresh Produce. So this is all about WhatsApp application programming interface. There are different even software development kit of Facebook is also there. Even business.facebook.com or else developers.facebook.com is also available. So this is all about my 4-day session on digital marketing. I was little bit speed, but definitely we will try to cover more subjects in the coming days. So this is all about so we are planning for a full-time online course. We are planning for a full-time online course, complete advanced module. So I myself will be the trainer. Maximum 99% classes I will deal. So we are conducting a 2 to 3 month online course, advanced module on digital marketing, which covers entire topics, and the entire session will be on interactive panel like this. We purchased this panel from these people only. These people only. Yeah, we have purchased this panel from these people only. The panel would be like this. So it is a total TV where we can write on that. Each and every application will be clearly explained to you. So based upon this, you will get more information about digital marketing. So we are taking a webinar like this. The product has already arrived. Maybe we'll install in another 1 week. So I will also share that video. You can write on this. You can do anything on this. So let us assume that there is a Facebook page available here. You can write on this. You can show that you can click this one. There will be a page open like this. So this is an interactive digital board. We are dealing classes on interactive digital panel. We got it from Hyderabad, and we will discuss in more than 40 different contents. So this is the entire syllabus. This is the entire syllabus where we discuss the concepts related to all the digital marketing from in around 40 plus topics. We'll discuss all these concepts, digital marketing overview, as well as planning, app planning, app creation, search marketing, Facebook marketing, each and everything we'll discuss. This will be of 2 to 3 months course. As well as one important thing is all these recorded videos will be given to you for another 1 year in our app. You can see it, and we'll discuss in more than 35 detailed topics. The course will be of 1 year validity. The course will be of 1 year validity. That means we are starting a batch in the month of August. Next batch will start in the month of September or October. You can attend this batch, and you can also attend this batch. Next we are starting in the month of January or December. You can also attend this batch. Next we are starting in the month of March. You can also attend this one. So that this concept injects in your mind, so that you can become a digital marketing expert. This course is useful not only for employees, but also for freshers, students, unemployed youth, for professional growth, as well as housewives also. You can think about this course. If you are interested, you can save my number. If you have any other doubts also, you can feel free to call me. If I am busy not lifting your call, you please WhatsApp me. Try to understand, because today I have 3 classes. From afternoon 1:30 to 2:30 I have one more class. From as well as 6 to 7:30 I have one more class today. So in the same manner, I need to go with some other works. My wife is shouting on me. My father is shouting on me. What is this? You are engaging yourself totally in front of the laptop. Family members, they are thinking that I am having fun here. I am enjoying chit-chatting with some other XYZ person. But they really didn't realize that I'm taking classes. My father is a professor. My mother, she is also a professor. My father has done his MA, MAd, MPhil in 1960s. We came from a very good family. So in that manner, we'll provide you online classes, and we'll start in the August 2nd or 3rd week. And the certifications will also be available, and we will provide you 100% placement assistance from our side. This course will not only help you to increase the sales of your organization, but it will brand yourself in the market. So suppose some other Ram Robert Rahim, so he will be very famous at his location. So through digital marketing, through learning this course, he will become a very good famous faculty throughout the country. Then he start earning per day 25,000, per day 50,000 by giving guest lectures, webinars. In the same manner, you can also start your own organization by learning this. Definitely, this will be useful. And what I am thoughting to give very good discount initially, at least 50% discount for all the people who visited this webinar. It will be very good. So this is all about. I'm very much thankful to all the participants who listen to all these sessions. I'm very much thankful to Srinidhi Institute of Science and Technology, School of Management Studies, Sandhya Madam, Sudhakar Sir, Vishwanath Sir, Soumya Madam, and all the other faculty members. I am the first batch student of SNIST. Today I am here in very good position. I have earned some amount. This is because of the blessings of my faculty members. Sandhya Madam is my faculty member. 10-15 years before she started her journey from SNIST, still she is working. She is very dedicated in SNIST Institute. This many days, for 15 years she is working. In this 12 years, I have shifted 4 organizations. But this shows that this shows her commitment towards SNIST Institute, commitment towards students. Yesterday, I was discussing about Sandhya Madam. She told that we'll have a career opportunity session for the students of our institution. MBA students, definitely, I told, surely Madam, I will definitely give my best to the sister students, because I learned so many things. Now the time has came to return some of them back to the SNIST Institute. And I'm also thankful to all the participants for your valuable time. If you have any doubt, this is my number. This is my personal number. This is my personal number. Otherwise, I have some professional number 94942942139 9849484748. This is my personal number and this is my professional number. 99% I give only these two numbers to all. I give these two numbers to all, but the first time I am giving my personal number because my association with SNIST is like that. Okay, thank you very much. If you have any doubts regarding that, you can call me. But definitely after that board comes, I will record a video and I will share to all your WhatsApp accounts. Please respond to that. Thank you very much again for this opportunity. If you have any doubts regarding today's content or any other content earlier we discussed or about the course you call me. Don't ask here. If you have any other doubts, please carry on.
So first of all, thank you. Thanks a lot for such a lovely session again. One question regarding the program, sir. The fee, course fee. Participants has missed out regarding the course fee, so they are just asking in the chat box.
No, actually, we charge around 15,000 for the course.
Okay.
15,000 for the course. But the situation has turned so worst now. We may plan of at least 50% discount to all the students, excluding GST. Excluding GST.
Okay, sir. I request the participants to please make use of the chat box for any queries regarding digital marketing. Sir, there are two questions as of now. Number one, can you please re-explain marketing funnel?
Marketing funnel is very simple. First comes here is awareness. First comes here is awareness. Creating awareness among the customers. This number may be 1,000. It will be something like this. It will be something like this. I will write here. It will be good. It will be something like this. Awareness. 1,000. Then we will create an interest among them. Interest among them. It would be around 300. It has been reduced and 70% of the people are reduced. Only brand has been created. Brand awareness has been done. Among these 1,000 people, 300 people have shown interest. Just like I was explaining about, this is a display advertisement and 300 people have shown interest clicking on that. Among these people, maybe 20% or 30% might shown interest. That means let us take 20%. 60 people have shown interest. Among these 60 people, maybe some 30 or 10 or all these many people have shown interest towards action. That is buying. Awareness, interest, action, leads. This is marketing funnel. Not all many people will see that. Maybe some thousands of people will see the impressions. Among that, few people will take that. This is what awareness is done. We need to do the awareness. Last time I have done my program. Out of nearly 300 people, they have listened my webinar in a Tirupati-based institution, that is CTAMS. Among that, 40 people have phoned me, told that, sir, we are interested in the course, sir. You please share the details. I told that wait for August, where we'll combine a whole batch and we'll start. So 300 plus students people have listened that, 30 people have shown interest. That is what.
Okay, sir. Thank you. Another question. Suppose I'm dissatisfied with the product delivered through Amazon and posted a bad review on all my social media platforms, which reaches to more people in less time, and they may repost, which affects the reputation of the company. How Amazon can identify such type of things? How they manage this type of reputation online?
Okay. Amazon has a separate department. Amazon has a separate department, a courier department on for online reputation management. Amazon has a separate department. If you are dissatisfied with the performance of the Amazon, they will try to resolve it. They will try to repay the amount back, and they in turn they will convey a sorry also. Even after that, if you try to damage their brand, then you need to face the consequences of Amazon, because Amazon is a multinational company. If you are not satisfied, they will go with the solution of that product, and they will try to resolve the issue. Why? Because through you, maybe some 1,000 people, maybe of 1,500 people may be dissatisfied with the performance of Amazon, and they may have some negative impact effect on Amazon. That's the reason they will try to resolve it. Previously also, Amazon has in terms of Amazon and Flipkart, it's business. Flipkart is an Indian company, Amazon is a foreign company. Even after that, it's business. It's B2B, it's B2C also. Flipkart and Amazon, it goes with business to business as well as business to consumer. If I am buying a single product, business to consumer. If I am buying a bulk products, business to business. In the same manner, Amazon previously has resolved so many issues. Even it has faced loss also. In the year 2016, let me tell you a case study which I gone through. Yeah, sorry. Let me tell you one case study happened in the year 2015-16. By mistakenly, Amazon department, what it has done, it has posted Apple product, Apple some 7 years or some other product 8 or something for 1 rupee. 1 rupee. It was a mistake happened at the typing, and I don't know what happened. One person, what he has done within that, they have posted just for 1 minute. In that 1 minute, he has booked the product. In 1 minute, he has booked the product. After 2-3 days, he received that there is a technical mistake. He filed a case in Allahabad High Court. This happened, Allahabad High Court, and he dragged Amazon to the court. Amazon is not interested to affect its brand. It has paid the amount. He has been delivered a sealed some Apple product which actually cost around 80,000, but he is lucky enough to get that in 1 rupee. This is what. So Amazon and Flipkart, all these companies are not like unorganized sectors. Our country is badly affected with unorganized sector. So this many companies, I always tell this in my marketing sales, presentations. In those presentations also, I will say that turn your organization into a organized sector. Don't go with unorganized transactions. Organized sector, Amazon has started in United States of America, it has reached here. Walmart has started somewhere else, it has reached here. KFC has started somewhere else, it has reached here. Very few, only 10 to 5% organizations which has been organized in India, also globalized throughout the world. Globalized throughout the world. In the same manner. So if this would be unorganized transaction, there would be a huge controversy. But Amazon is not interested to do to affect any of its brand. That's the reason it has paid the amount, and they have a separate department to deal all these things.
So the question is how these companies come to know that I posted something bad about them. Is there any tool?
They have a separate department. They will see all your views, transactions, each and everything. If any one of you has gone with 1-star rating, they will immediately respond. They will give the response.
Okay, sir. I request participants to please make use of this time. We will be closing the question and answer session. Sir, no more questions from the participant end. Dear participants, I have a small announcement. Tomorrow we have Mr. Venugopal Vemula, CEO of Veloxtech Solutions, to address us on digital marketing. So I request all the participants to please turn up tomorrow and day after tomorrow. You are assured of wonderful sessions. Even Ahmed sir would be joining us for these 2 days. And the feedback link, as usual, will be shared in the evening in WhatsApp group, using WhatsApp group. It will be active for 4 hours, and you may take time and fill the feedback form. Though we have 2 more days to go, I could not stop myself by proposing a vote of thanks to Ahmed sir for showing this keen interest. So I, on behalf of School of Management Studies, Srinidhi Institute of Science and Technology, and the entire team of coordinators, and on my own behalf, extend a very hearty vote of thanks to our speaker, Dr. Ahmed, for gracing your important work and readily accepting our request in a very short span of time. In this pandemic situation, there are enormous set of FDPs, webinars being organized online that are ranging from 1 day to 1 week to 10 days. But being online, we have various limitations, which makes quality much questionable. We are glad that we have continuous and interactive participants even on the 4th day of this program. It is just possible with the knowledge and practical exposure provided by our resource person, Dr. Ahmed. Dr. Ahmed, being the alumni of School of Management Studies, Srinidhi Institute of Science and Technology, has rose to a level of being a resource person and started his own learning center named AIM Academy. We are very proud of you, sir. Every session of his clearly shows his passion towards sharing his knowledge. We look forward for many more sessions from him. On behalf of School of Management Studies, Srinidhi Institute of Science and Technology, I once again thank Dr. Ahmed for being with the parent institution even after years of being passed out from the college. Thank you so much, sir. And I proudly say I am the junior of Ahmed, sir. So we had good time during classes as well. I am open for all the participants. Any participant who wanted to share a feedback can just switch on their video and raise their hand so that I'll unmute and you can share your feedback. If you want to interact personally with sir, we still have some 3 minutes of time. Any participant who wants to share your views?
Ma'am, I think Srinivas.
Yes, sir. Sir, you may unmute, sir. Yes, sir.
Hello, everybody. First of all, thanks a lot to SNIST and Dr. Sheikh. A tremendous job. I think the examples he covered in explaining the topics are very important because the whole essence is he has got across the message of digital marketing in such a simple manner. It's a vast topic, as he himself has been saying many times. He needs a 100-hour program or so. And it's really good that Srinidhi has approached him and got him to conduct the seminar for all of us. Thank you very much.
Thank you so much, sir. Any other participant? Sir, we have flowing thanks in this chat box. Nice and lucid presentation. We are very much thankful to Ahmed sir for keeping things so simple.
Thank you all. Thank you.
We look forward for your association tomorrow and day after as well.
Definitely.
Thank you, sir. And I thank all the participants for being there. We'll meet you tomorrow. Have a happy day.
Definitely.
Thank you.